Hi everybody, it's Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my art channel. Today I wanted to introduce you to Floss. This is my little puppy. She's 6 months old, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, a tricolour, and she's my gorgeous little girl. So I thought I'd introduce you to her today. I'm out in my backyard at the moment because I still haven't hung many paintings up on my wall since I had my house painted. I've been too busy painting, doing art instead. So anyway, I thought I'd bring you outside into my backyard because for some of you overseas that might be quite interesting to that I have a backyard if you're from a place where you don't get to have one. And I live in the suburbs of Melbourne. Anyway, so today I'm going to do a painting for you using a lot of leftover paint. I've got a fair few colours and I've had them stored in from scraped up from paintings. So let's have some fun. This is a square canvas, obviously. I think it was 18 by 18 inch, which I think was like 45 centimetres. And I'm really into this marble base that I've got going on at the moment. So this is a nice sky blue leftover paint that I've scraped up off the paper after doing a painting. And I'm gonna put this white, woo! Going to put the white marbling through the base. Heaps of bubbles to torch here. Got like, sometimes when I turn on my torch, I get like little bits of like, I'd almost call them ash in there. I don't know what they are. I have no idea what it is. If somebody knows, let me know in the comments because I don't know what it is. I think I'll put my white in now. Somebody's using their lawnmower on this fine summer day. We've had some really hot days recently. Today's not too hot, it's just a really nice day. So I've got the doors open. So sorry about the lawnmower, but this is called Suburban Videoing, Art Videos in Suburban Life of Melbourne. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll make sure I don't overmix it. Okay, the base coat looks really nice. Now I've got some interesting colours to put on here today. The first one, so none of my, two of the colours don't have a name because they are mixed up leftover paint, but I'm going to do a over here and then up there. So this is this beautiful blue colour. I might do another. Very pretty blue. It's got a bit of a metallic glow to it, so I think it's got, pretty sure that Pabeo blue black will be in it. Okay, it looks like we're doing our, that drip determined where. Okay, that's good. I've got pearl violet to put over the top here. So that should create a lovely luminous speaking of luminous, I bought some Pabeo. I haven't used them yet, but they are Pabeo luminescent blue and green, so they will glow in the dark, which sounds absolutely awesome. But yeah, I haven't used them yet. Haven't quite worked out what project I want to put them on. Okay, that's lovely. Now this is a lovely green. There's I reckon it's got Amsterdam blue green in it, and I also think there is a metallic luster to this one too. And in a typical Kelly style, gold. Because I think that the gold will go very nicely with blue and with green. Now I don't have enough, there's no more paint to blow it over, so I'm just going to have to hope for the best that I've got enough paint on my canvas. I'm going to start blowing it out in the center. I am very, very happy right now. That is exceptionally beautiful. Okay, oh, it's so pretty. Wow. What do you think? Are you thinking this is as gorgeous as I am? Wowee. Now I think I can blow, there's a lot of paint. Maybe I might actually blow it with a hairdryer and blow that one out a little bit more. Beautiful. That's beautiful. I don't like these little squiggly bits. I have to make them into like puffs. I prefer them to look like that. I think I can take this over a little bit, just soften up this line here and take the strategically. You can see touches of the violet in there, so that's going to be beautiful when it dries. Ooh. That's nice. I do love the little cell clusters. Not if they're just going to bring up the paint from underneath, but I do really like the little bits scattered throughout the painting. I think it adds some mystery. The only bit that I'm a bit unsure about is down here. I'm not a huge fan of that bit. Yeah, that's a bit messy down there. Oh, that was my dog snoring. Little puppy, funny puppy, just hanging upside down out of her bed. She's got her body in her bed and her head hanging over the edge of the comfy cushioned edge. And she's sharing it with my other dog. They're both in the bed together. What do you think? Did I make that better there? I think I did. I think I did. It's more defined. Anyway, very happy with this. I think I'm going to leave it there and I will bring you down for a close-up when it is dry. Here is the beautiful final result. It's about two weeks later, and I am so pleased with how this painting has turned out. I finished it with a satin varnish, a spray, and it's really made the colours pop just beautifully. You can see the gorgeous violet, pearl violet popping through all over the place, and gold is just sort of streaming through the painting throughout the entire artwork. So it's just super pretty, and of course it's always more gorgeous in real life. That's one thing that I find with my art, is you can never really capture the whole thing when you're looking at it through a camera versus looking at it with your own eyes. So really, really pleased with how this, look at that shine, look at that violet shine there. Very pleased with how it's turned out. So thanks for watching. I've got quite a few paintings waiting in the pipelines that I've been working on, and I've just got to get the editing done, and I'll be sharing them all with you really soon. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.